Back in 1985 and 84, we started programming and data access. Back then, it was a C plus program, line code only. Boy, this type of program means you got to roll up your sleeves to get some work done. And the name of the program was Dataflex. It was introduced to Coca-Cola food by Tom Sawyer and Les Evans, two big boys in their time. Well, what we're going to do here is we're going to try to show you how the new Dataflex, what they call Visual Dataflex, it's a 4G program, and it's from 2012, and we're going to try to show you how it works. So we're going to try to create a new workspace. Okay, and I'm going to create a new workspace, and I'm going to call it, just to keep up with my blood sugar, I'm going to call it glucose. Glucose. Make it all cap lock. Glucose. Glucose, and that's gonna be what wait. That will be my new workspace, and I'm gonna put a description. M-O. Control and sugar. I'll put control sugar. S-U-R-C-O-O-N-T-R-O-L. It's gonna be for sugar control. And this is the new workspace. This is the way the new Dataflex operates in the 4G language. It's a fourth generation language. Before proceeding, you must enter a workspace directory. If you don't do it, I think they'll enter it for you. And it's going to be C glucose. Workspace root directory. Going to be C glucose. And I go to the next. What I want to do, I want the database to be embedded, the driver to be Dataflex, which is for Visual for Dataflex, and we ain't gonna configure the database driver, so we gonna go to next, and here go all my drivers right here, all my paths that I need in my Dataflex. It just created 2, 4, 6, 8 different paths for me. See how easy 4G programming is? Then I'm going to say finish. And now that I've created the workspace, glucose, I need to create a project. And it's going to be a Windows project. And I'm going to say OK. And the file name is going to be GLUCOSEPR for project. Okay. Now that I've created my project, where do I go from here? I think I've got my project created. Now what I need to do is I need to go to file. Okay. I'm kind of new at this, so you're going to have to kind of bear with me. Navigate, Windows, here. So now that I created this project, I need to go back to my dashboard. And I need to, the project is already created. Now I need to create a table. Create a table, and I'm going to say glue, C-O-S-E, T-B-L. Glucose table, that's going to be the name of the table. It's glucose table. Now that I've created a table, I did the indexes, and what I'm going to do is as I create this table here, I'm going to add column. First column going to be ID, and then type is going to be a numeric column, and then size going to be 3. Okay. But it changed it to 4 for some reason. I don't know why. But now I'm starting a new table now. So I'm saying a new column from the ID. So I want to read my glucose number. So I'm going to say GLUCOSENUM. That'll be the glucose number. And I'm going to try to make this one numeric. And I'll try to make it 3 long. It might change it to 4. 3. See, it changes it to 4 for some reason. Okay. The glucose number. Then I want to put my date in. Okay, I'm going to put GLUCOSEDATE. Put my glucose date in there. I changed it over to date. And then be 6 characters. Then I'm going to change this to note. Now that'll be everything I need to glue put together now. COSENOTE. I got glucose note, and what I'm going to do with this is, since this is going to be a note, I'm going to try to make it about 30 characters long, because there might be a lot of things I want to say in a note. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to release the table editor, but I'm going to see, maybe I need an index column. Let's see, can I get a column? Insert. I can't insert a column. No. Column. See. I can't insert a column. Index. Okay, we ain't gonna worry about index and relationship right now. We'll come back to that later on. But I do need an index segment, and I can't insert a column. So index column, if I can get ID in there. ID. See, I can't put in a column. So we're going to come out of this. We're going back to the dashboard. Now, I've created a table. No data dictionary say how to find. So can I find some data dictionary? Data dictionary, Google. My definition is already over here. My attributes and my definition. What I can do with everything in the column. So now, that's good on that. Now what I need to do is I need to create a form. So if I go to glucose current project, see, I'm new to this Dataflex, so I'm learning as I go. What I'm doing here, no data entry views is defined. So we got to define a data entry view. data entry view, we're going to go with the wizard, and we're going to try to define one. And we're going to say, okay. I got to commit or cancel the table change. So what I got to do there is just say they want me to commit or cancel all table change. So to commit, if I go out, it should give me a chance to save. Save it, yeah. Okay. Now I got to get back in there because I don't know no other way to save it. I'm new to this Visual Dataflex. I'm very new to it. So we're going to try to go back to all programs again, and we're going to try to come on down to Visual Dataflex, and we're going to try to open it up again. Okay. Now as I open up Visual Dataflex, I go to my glucose table. I'm at my glucose. Now I want to get to my workspace. And what I need is a data entry view. So I need to do a data entry view. Then I need to say, okay, because I committed it by saving. I saved it, so saved it actually committed. So I'm going to go to next. Please enter a object name for a view. And I'm going to name it glucose PW for view. Please enter a file name. Yes, I'm on the edges. Put O in that, and then I added the file name automatically. Okay, this is 4G. 4G doing it for me. Man, this is a good language here. Then I'm going to next. Create a sample form. That's what I want to do next. And then I want to sort by table name. Okay, I want to go next. Then I want to move all of them over. Then I want to go to next. Then I want any two of them on the same line? No, I don't. So I want a left justification, which is this side of the screen. And I want everything on default and preview. I can see what it looks like. Okay, that looks good enough for me. Okay. So I close the preview, then I go to next, then I go to finish. Now I've got it defined right here. And this is my glucose view defined. I can start putting it. Nope, I can't put no information in it yet. So by me not being able to put no information in, I'm going to have to come out of this and close it. I'm going to have to go back to workspace data, and then I'm going to have to go to glucose screen. Then now at this point here, I should be able to create me a form. File, field, glucose, type here. I should be able to create my form here. See, glucose screen and that glucose field. That's my field right here. I'm about to close it to actually commit it. Close that. Close the screen. Then what I need to do, data entry view. Marvin table data entry view. created a data entry key. So I actually did that. So I cancel. I got a table, workspace summary, and I need to get back over here. Now, I need to get back over here. And there's something I could do here. I could do the file, expert, snap, save, delete, exit, view, report, navigate, window. Yeah. I should be able to create a form in here somewhere. Let's see. Clear air. I'm in this point, at this point, and now I can't create my form. I should be able to create a form at this point. Let me see where I go up here. File, recent close off, save, Google, print, record, here, workspace, explore, projects. Okay, let me compile it, pre-compile it. Debug, database, I should be able to build a string here. Project, got my workspace, the project, got my database table, I got data dictionary, data entry view. Open item, Google, string. No, I don't want that. I should be able to model it somewhere. Clear air. At this point, I done got hung up on trying to build my farm. Either it's not compiling for Dataflex or something has happened here. But I'm in the learning mode right along with y'all. So we gonna get back with you on this here, because something went dead wrong here. Let me see if I can open this and build. Data dictionary, build. Okay, here we go. Glucose build right here. I got my build here, but now I need to compile this something. Save glucose build. Okay. I just saved the glucose build. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back to build again. That's the programming language right there. That's the C+ program. This is the way we used to have to program a Dataflex a long time ago. We have to roll up our sleeve and write it out line code by line code, and we had to create an object and end the object. But for some reason, the view is not working. Okay, we have to get back with you later on this. When I come back with the next programming part of the program, we'll be able to get to our farm again. Thank you. This is David Johnson, trying to program in 2012 Visual Dataflex, but don't look like the shit working out too good for me here. Okay, we gone.